Hi, good morning everybody. Myself Dhanvi Manjushri Narayan, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, General Science Department, Brahmadev Dadamani Institute of Technology. In last video, we have to see that solution of non-homogeneous equation. Non-homogeneous equation means consistency for rank of A not equal to rank of AB and rank of A equal to rank of AB. If rank of A not equal to rank of AB, the system is inconsistent, they have no solution, and rank of A equal to rank of AB, the system is consistent, then they have two sub cases. If R equal to N, R means rank of A, number of unknowns equal to, then the unique solution, and R less than N, they have infinite many solution. In last video, we have to see the example on inconsistent and how to find the unique solution. In this video, we have to see infinite solution for non-homogeneous equations. Let's see example. So here, solve x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 equal to 1, 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 2x3 equal to 2, and 7x1 minus 2x2 plus 3x3 equal to 5. So right solution, this is a non-homogeneous equation. Why this is a non-homogeneous equation? Right side of this equation, all elements or all constants are non-zero, therefore this is a non-homogeneous equation. Let's see this is a unique solution or inconsistent or consistent. So solution, write in matrix form, Ax equal to B. What is A? A is coefficient of matrices 1, 2, minus 1, 3, minus 2, 2, 7, minus 2, 3. What is x? X means constant of this equation, x1, x2, number of unknowns, x1, x2, x3, and what is b? B means right side of the equation, 1, 2, 5. Convert this matrices into echelon form, then write its rank of A, rank of AB, then we have get to the solution. So first convert this matrices into echelon form by using row transformation. First write this matrix in augmented matrix AB equal to, right now augmented matrix 1, 2, minus 1. Augmented matrix means combine of constant of coefficient of matrices and constant of right side of the equation, 1, 2, 5, and what is 3, minus 2, 2, and 7, minus 2, 3. Convert this matrix into echelon form by using row transformation. Convert these elements into 0 by using A11 element. So in second row changes R2 equal to R2 minus 3R1. Then this element reduces to 0 by using this row transformation, and R3 equal to R3 minus 7R1. Then this element reduces to 0. So first row right now as it is, do not disturb this, 1, 2, minus 1, 1. So row transformation for this element, multiply first row by 3, right now here 3, 6, minus 3, and here 3, and subtraction of these two row, these new elements, and this second row, we get the second row of new matrices. 3 minus 3 is here 0, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, 2 minus plus 3 is here 5, and 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Next, in changes of R3 row transform is here, R3 minus 7R1. So multiply first row by 7, 14, minus 7, 7, and subtraction of these two rows, we get new elements. 7 minus 7, right now here, 7 minus 7 is 0, minus 2 minus 14 is here, minus 16, 3 minus plus 7 is 10, and 5 minus 7 is minus 2. So we get the new matrices. Again, this elements reduces to 0 by using A22 element. The row transformation for R3, we have to convert this matrix into echelon form. So convert this matrix reduces to 0, non-diagonal elements. R3 equal to R3 minus 2R2. So right now this matrix elements, first row and second row, right now as it is, do not disturb this, no changes for these two rows. 0, minus 8, 5, minus 1, right now as it is. And changes in only third row, R3 minus 2 R2. Multiply this second row by 2, minus 16, 10, and here minus 2. And subtraction of these two rows, 0, minus 16, minus plus 16 is here, 0, 10 minus 10 is here, 0, minus 2, minus plus 2 is 0. We get the echelon form of matrix. Then write its rank and then find the solution. First here, right now it's a rank of A. What is the rank of A? Only observe this matrix A. So this row, third row, all elements are 0. So deleting this row, non-zero elements for this matrix is 2. So rank of A equal to 2. And what is the rank of AB? In rank of AB, all third row, all elements are 0, non-zero elements in 2 rows, therefore rank of AB also 2. Therefore rank of A equal to rank of AB, then the system is consistent. Then check it, this is for unique solution or infinite solution. Sub cases, if R equal to N or R less than N, R means rank of A 2 and N means number of unknowns. Here unknowns are x1, x2 and x3. 3 unknowns are here. So R and N. Therefore R is less than N means 2 is less than 3. Therefore the system has infinite many solution. System has infinite many solution. So find the infinite many solution. Find the infinite many solution. Write the equation for this matrix, echelon form of matrix. Write the equation x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 equal to 1. And second equation is minus 8x2 plus 5x3 equal to minus 1. These are the two equations, simultaneous equations. Solve these equations. For solving these equations, we get infinite many solution. Let us here, this equation is x2 plus 5x3 equal to 3. So in infinite many solution, we have to consider the parameter. What is the parameter? Parameter equal to n minus r, means n is number of unknowns are here 3 and r means rank of A is 2. So we get 1. So we have to consider the parameter 1. So which equation we have to consider, which constant we have to consider the one parameter? So let us consider x3 equal to t. I have to consider the parameter x3 equal to t. Putting x3 equal to t in this equation number second, we get x2 equal to. So put x3 equal to t in equation number second, 8x2 plus 5x3 equal to minus 1. Put minus 8x2 plus 5t equal to minus 1, minus 8x2 equal to minus 1 minus 5t, minus x2 equal to minus 1 minus 5t upon minus. Therefore x2 equal to 1 plus 5t upon 8. We get the second unknowns. First x3 equal to 2, x2 equal to 1 plus 5t upon 8. Put x2 and x3 in equation number first, we get x1 equal to, equation first is x1 plus 2x2 minus x3 equal to 1. Put this equation, values plus 2, what is x2? x2 is here 1 plus 5t upon 8 minus t equal to 1. Taking LCM as 8, solve this equation. This is 8 is taking LCM. 8x1 plus 2 into 1 plus 5t minus 8t equal to 8. Okay. 8x1 plus 2 plus 10t minus 8t equal to 8. Addition subtraction of this parameter, 8x1 plus 2 plus 2t equal to 8. Therefore 8x1 equal to 8 minus 2 minus 2t. Therefore 8x1 equal to 6 minus 2t. Therefore, x1 equal to 6 minus 2t upon 8. We get the infinite solution for x1 equal to, write the answer, x1 equal to 6 minus 2t upon 8. What is x2? x2 equal to 1 plus 5t upon 8 and x3 equal to t. This is infinite many solution. In next lecture or next video, we have to see the solution of homogeneous equation. Okay, thank you.